How long have you been employed at this company?
Since I obtained my lawyer's license from the Ministry of Justice in 2014.
For about 4 years.
1 year ago.
1 year ago.
Briefly describe your experience working with your CEO.
The work was institutional based on trust, development, and technology, with a clear vision that defines the tasks of each element in the company.
He helped the CEO draw up strategic plans to achieve the aspirations of the facility and provide an accomplished and cooperative work environment.
I found his leadership style empowering, as he trusted and supported his team members.
The CEO demonstrates exceptional ability to communicate goals and motivate the team.
Why do you think your CEO deserves the title of CEO of the Year?
I believe that he deserves the title of CEO of the Year because he is committed to developing the team professionally and practically, and is keen on governing the work.
For the results he achieved in a short time and at the lowest costs, which I have no equal to others.
His ability to handle challenges and inspire confidence in me during difficult times.
His innovative approach has led to significant business growth and enhanced market reputation.
Provide specific examples of how your CEO has demonstrated exceptional leadership within the company.
We went through phases of stagnation in work, and he played a prominent role in urging his colleagues to develop clear solutions and strategies that took the company out of a place of stagnation to the peak of giving and clear results. With his clear and inspiring vision,
The CEO is keen to know the needs and difficulties facing employees and takes into account the social and material aspects and provides full support to every employee in the facility, as if he is a member of his family.
The CEO implemented a mentoring program that boosted employee engagement and productivity.
How has your CEO inspired and motivated you and your colleagues to give your best?
he made the members of the work, regardless of their work and positions, one team with one mission, striving for development and progress.
Yes, according to the nature of my work as a lawyer, the CEO provided us with the best technical methods to search for information and save time, and also welcomes any executable idea and provides all the necessary support to achieve it.
He leads by example, demonstrating dedication and a work ethic that inspires the team.
Introduced new technologies to streamline processes, resulting in a 30% increase in efficiency.
How does your CEO contribute to a positive work environment at the company?
One of his most important qualities is that in his tasks he relies on transparency and open communication across all levels of the organization.
The CEO created flexible work policies and provided monthly and annual incentives for employees, and also shares with all employees his own vision and plans, and takes their opinions, which makes the employee feel that he is an integral part of this facility.
His approach to conflict resolution ensures harmony and respect among colleagues.
Open door policy encourages everyone to share ideas, creating a culture of creativity.
Describe a situation where your CEO provided you with support or mentorship.
One of the most prominent positions in which the CEO highlighted solutions was when the corona epidemic occurred, as he guided us to strategies for overcoming obstacles, benefiting from the state's plan and vision, and the consequences were good, praise be to God.
The CEO provided me with a mechanism to organize and archive work in a smooth way, which contributed to completing my work quickly and efficiently.
The CEO identified my potential and recommended me for a leadership development program.
By celebrating accomplishments, he creates a sense of shared success.
How has your CEO helped your professional development?
I previously indicated that his work is institutional and depends on work and learning, and this encouraged me to obtain the professional certificate in my specialty, as well as the rest of the work team.
There are clear plans for developing employees provided by the CEO, including limiting the professional certificates that the employee needs and that the facility undertakes in order to develop the employee professionally.
The CEO supported my participation in industry conferences, which expanded my knowledge and network.
When I proposed a new campaign, he provided constructive feedback and encouragement to bring it to life.
Share an anecdote that illustrates your CEO as a good person and leader.
Several clients attended with the intention of benefiting from the legal consulting service, and their number exceeded the lawyers present at the time. And the CEO was able to solve this problem by linking clients with the lawyers assigned outside the workplace through modern technology, which helped solve this problem.
There are many stories, but in one complex case involving multiple technical and medical aspects, the CEO was able to hold a quick meeting with specialists in multiple fields, which enabled us to overcome the difficulties in that case.
Once, the CEO organized a surprise team celebration to recognize everyone's hard work on a critical project.
He went out of his way to help a colleague facing a medical emergency, showing compassion and care.